Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel FD Communicate. Today I am going to show you that how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. Okay, so this is a most important video. If you want to install Windows 10 in your computer or laptop, then first of all you have to make a Windows 10 bootable USB drive, flash drive. Okay, so how to do it? Please watch the video from beginning to end, and before starting the videos, it is request from my side that please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the all notification. So let's go friends. I am showing you how it is possible, how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. Let's go. First of all, you have to open a tab into Google and just you have to write here that Rufus, R-U-F-U-S, Rufus. Then press on Rufus Google search option. After that, Rufus official website will come in first option. The website name is rufus.ie. Just click on it. After clicking, the Rufus website will open here, and it is showing that this type software after downloading this type of Windows pop-up will come. So you have to scroll down and you have to click there last updated 2020 11/20. That means 20 November 2020 it has last updated, and you have to click on the Rufus 3.13 this option, and the file size is 1.1 MB. Just click on it and it will be download. Okay, the file is downloading here. Okay, after that, after downloading, you have to open the file. So please be wait until it is downloading. The file is being downloaded, already downloaded. Just click on it, show in folder. Okay, here this is download. Already 2 times I downloaded. So I am clicking the first option, right click, then open option. Before running this option, you must have to insert your pen drive or removable drive. Okay, then click on run option. After that, when you will click on the run option, this type of pop-up will come. Then you have to select the first option, device, where you want to install the software, Windows 10 or Windows 7. Okay, where do you want to install the Rufus software? So you have to select the removable drive. Automatically by default it will select. So before that you have to insert your pen drive into your computer or laptop. Okay, then the next option is boot selection. Boot selection option, there is option disk or ISO image. If you click here, there are 3 options: non-bootable, free DOS and disk or ISO image. Please select. So you have to select disk or ISO. After that, you will get an option select, and beside the select option there is an arrow. If you click here, there is 2 options, select and download. Don't click on download, just click on the select option. When you will click on the select option, it will ask you to upload a file where you have downloaded your Windows 10 software. So I have downloaded the Windows 10 software in my download option. Just I am selecting the Windows 10 software and now click on open. The software has already come in the Rufus software. And then the partition scheme. This is the most important thing. You have to select these 2 options. Only one option you have to select. There are 2 options. One is MBR. What is the meaning of MBR? MBR means master boot record. MBR, and the GPT meanings guide partition table. So which one do you want to select? It is depending upon you. So I am selecting here GPT. Okay, GPT and the target system. Target system, if you click here, only one system is showing, so you have to click just the same option. Okay, it will remain same, don't need to change here. And the next option is format option, volume level. Volume level, if you want to rename it, you can rename, otherwise by default your software name will come here. So I am renaming here and writing here one name. Okay, and the file system is 32-bit. If you download 64-bit, then it will come 64. If you download 32-bit, then it will come 32. Okay, and total size is 8192 bytes by default. And when you will click on start option, the Rufus software will install into your bootable USB. Okay, your USB into your pen drive, it will install. After that, you have to format your laptop and you have to install your Windows 10, Windows 7, whatever do you want to install. The first step is you have to make this system. First of all, you have to download the Rufus software to make the Windows 10 bootable USB drive by this procedure. And what is GPT and what is MBR, I am showing you what is the option. Just you have to go to your computer option. I am going to my computer option. This is my PC. Then click on manage. Okay, after that, when you click on manage option, your computer will open here. You have to click on disk management. Okay, disk management, there is disk 0 and basic 931.51 GB. Just right click here and click on properties option, and here volume, and this is the partition style, master boot record MBR. Understand, this is the MBR, and I am talking about the system GPT and MBR, master boot record and GPT. This is MBR. Actually my system is installed in MBR. If you want to select GPT, then you can select GPT, but now I want to select GPT. Okay, so friends, now you have to start option. I am clicking on start option. Then warning, one warning pop-up message has come here, all data on the device. That means your pen drive, if you have any data, it will remove to another drive. So you have to click on OK. Okay, now the clearing partition and creating file system is completing. Okay, so you have to wait for a few minutes. After that, it will complete. So friends, I think that you can understand the videos, and by this process you can install Windows 7, Windows 10 at your home. Okay, so friends, many thanks to you for watching the video. If you think the video is favorable for you, then don't forget to like the videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day to you.